This guy is making $7,000 per month from his WhatsApp group. He doesn't have a huge following and he has a very specific niche. But in just 3 months, he already made $20,000. That's all because he started a paid WhatsApp group. But WhatsApp does not have a monetization feature. In this video, I'm going to show you the hack he did to create a paid WhatsApp group and the other ways you could earn money using only one platform. Meet DJ Samo. He is a talented DJ based in Dubai and has been producing remix music for more than 10 years, touring different countries to play music festivals. He is passionate about his industry, but there is one problem. Becoming a DJ in the Middle East is not easy because most DJ resources you can find are in English. He wants to solve that and bridge the gap between his music genre and his native language. That's why he started teaching aspiring DJs from the Middle East how to start their career using songs from the region and language. So he started a paid community called Yalla DJ. For $100 a month, his community members can get more than 25 free high-quality songs and Middle Eastern remixes from Gulf, Iraqi, Egyptian, Levant, House, and R&B. His goal is to give his members the songs they need so they can boost their creativity and focus on creating epic remixes. That's why he offered exclusive courses and workshops, starting from the basic skills so they can confidently start their journey to becoming their own DJ. So how did DJ Samo start his Yalla DJ community? He signed up for a community on nas.io/earnwhatsapp and connected it to his WhatsApp group. He turned it into a paid group, set the price, and members can only join the group once they've completed the payment on nas.io. Then he uploaded his online courses on nas.io. Using nas.io's native course builder, he organized his modules and set their prices. He also created workshops using the events feature in nas.io. By just setting the dates, location, and price, he is all set. nas.io handles all the payments for all methods, including local payment gateways for a more secure and convenient transaction. And guess what? His audience loved it. His Yalla DJ VIP group has 45 members, and he charges $111 per month, giving him $5,000 monthly recurring revenue, just from a WhatsApp group with less than 100 members. He didn't need a website or even 1 million followers. He just used a simple and free platform to handle all the monetization for him. You don't need a huge following to start a community business. Instead of just making content and gaining followers, take some of these people to a platform where they can pay you for the value you give. Starting a paid community inside WhatsApp is a game changer. It's home to 2 billion users worldwide. Everyone has WhatsApp on their phone and uses it to communicate. With the right platforms like nas.io, you can have multiple ways to monetize and turn your passion into a sustainable business like DJ Samo. Go to nas.io/earnwhatsapp to begin creating your first online community business. Make money on WhatsApp today.